Hi everyone, this is CA Rajdeep. I just cleared my CA in November 2022 in the second attempt, and it was all possible due to the hard work I did, due to the patience I've shown on me, of course my parents' blessing, and also not to forget Hima Kansan from SUPER36. You know, what I was lagging in May 2022 was a lack of revision. I was not able to retain. I was not able to solve questions on my own. There was something which was missing. I was just a bit far away from passing in May 2022, but that showed me you need a lot to be a CA. I joined this SUPER36 and have done many techniques suggested by Hima sir. I would love to mention the FTR technique. Why? Because that has changed my life. You know, I was able to retain every single, even the page numbers of the audit and laws. I have scored exemption in FR, SFM as well as economics law in this attempt. Not to forget, I have, worked really hard, and I was, after giving the SCMP paper, I was so devastated because it didn't went well. But I just talked to Himakant sir, and he said that please focus on your next paper. It will all fall in place. Why? Because it was too tough. And yes, it was. I got 50 and I just passed away in it. I'm so blessed to have them in my picture. They are the blessing of my life. SUPER36 has been an instrumental, journey of my life, and I would obviously recommend it to all. I'm so blessed. Thank you so much.